Most project management tools work until your team actually depends on them. That's when the limit shows up. Features disappear and suddenly you're being pushed to an upgrade. We went through 10 free tools to find out which ones actually holds up and which break the moment your team grows. Here are the 3 that made the cut. If your team has layered, complex projects with a lot of moving parts, this is the one for you. You get task dependencies, sprint planning, and multiple project views, even on the free plan. The trade-off, it's a lot to take in at first. Teams that want something simple find it a little overwhelming. So this one works best for teams that manage both documentation and projects. So instead of jumping between tools, everything lives in one workspace: notes, tasks, and the timeline. It's not the strongest task manager on its own, but if your work is document heavy, that trade-off makes sense. So this is the easiest entry point on the list. Simple boards, unlimited cards, and almost no setup. If your team has been avoiding project management tools because they feel too heavy, Trello removes that friction. But once you need reporting or more structure, it starts to feel limited. 7 more tools made the full ranking, including a closer look at what free actually means for each one. The complete breakdown is on projectmanagement.com. Check out the link in the description.